to share with you guys kind of like how I started this whole self-care journey stuff.
Can you do me a favor since this is broken down?
I forgot to mention I'll be there in time. We don't really need to talk too much. Show each other what we know. I got other ways to catch you up. Couldn't do it on the phone. So can you keep a secret?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, the Solo Travel Bae. I am back with another video. If you are new here, hello babe. Come with the good vibes. So make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because the girlies know it's all good vibes when they rolling with the bae. But today's Self-Care Tuesday and I am taking y'all along with me so we can tap into some self-care. And I know I told you guys in my last vlog that I normally do my self-care days on Monday, but I had a lot going on yesterday. Okay, I was with the girlies, enjoying myself, enjoying my friends, just having a good time. So I was outside yesterday, okay? I ain't do no self-care yesterday. I was with the girlies. But today is all about me. I'm spending time with myself. Let's go on this self-care day on a Tuesday. Hey. I'm back. And yes, your girl done gave herself a silk press, okay? That's gonna last like 2.5 seconds. So I just wanted to give you guys a little glimpse before I start looking crazy outside. But before this, I wanna show you guys the outfit of the day. I am wearing this Zara satin top with my Zara boyfriend jeans, my Gucci sandals, my Misguided bag. All right, guys, let's get this self-care day started. So right now, I'm heading to do my nails. Let's go do some girly things. Get the nails done.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spin without a thought, we do it reckless.
All right, girlies, I'm back. And guess who finished their nails? Look at my nails. It's giving. So I saw this inspo on TikTok and I was like, I gotta do that. I feel like the chrome is in right now and the girlies are going crazy. So we chroming it up for the summer, girls. But we about to hit the road now. So I am going to a cooking class today at the Surlatable located in Manhattan. For this self-care day, I really wanted to do like an activity. Like I really didn't want to just like go out to eat or like, you know, something regular. I was like, no, let me go do some activity, you know. And I feel like that's something that I really want to start incorporating into my self-care, like booking activities and not just doing regular stuff, going out to eat. I passed that stage already. Like now it's time to get down to the nitty gritty. Like I'm gonna be booking like cooking classes, pottery classes, paint and sip classes. Like, yeah, I'm gonna be on my research heavy. So I'm taking y'all along with me because this class we making steak. And let's head to the city. I just reached Surlatable. I'm excited. Ooh. I just wanted to share with you guys kind of like how I started this whole self-care journey stuff. It started back in 2018. I was just in a transition period where I felt stuck. And I knew that, you know, I wanted change for myself, but I just didn't know where to start. At that time, I just finished a long-term relationship. My social relationships wasn't going well. It just wasn't, I just didn't feel good at that time. I think around that time I started feeling like really frustrated because like a lot of my friends were having kids. I didn't have too many friends that didn't have kids, and I was in a stage where like I really wanted to live my life, and I started to feel a little stuck because I didn't have the friends that was available to do the things that I like to do. Sure enough, I went out to eat on my own, and I think at that time I went somewhere like Applebee's or something like that. Honestly, that was one of the best decisions that I've ever made. And I feel like had I not started that self-care journey, I don't know where I would have been today. So I'm super proud of myself, right? I'm happy that I made that transition. I'm also happy that I set that tone for myself. I knew that I really wanted people that was in my life to treat me the way I know I deserve to be treated. And that was really important to me in my life. So yeah, that's kind of a little snip of why I started this journey. But let's go inside to the Shallot table so we can see what they gonna be doing. I'm excited.
For the dessert?
Okay.
I don't know, maybe.
I think this is for the dessert. I kind of missed what the before. Well, no, the ganache and the, yes. I think that's dessert. Ganache is like chocolate.
We have to put butter on them.
Great. All right, so they're almost finished. Right? Not only that, it's all right, because I'll show you the cheat code after in case it doesn't. Now, we have eggplant. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut it in half, just like I showed you with the onions, right? And then you're going to start slice it, and you're going to be cubing them up also, okay? So let's cube up the eggplant. Slice first.
Look good?
It looks great. And then if you don't think it looks good, do the cheat, right? Whatever
Like
makes
this?
you feel good.
I can't see them. Behind are freaking long.
Can you do me a favor? Since this is broken down. Getting good dough, because I made it. You know? Yeah. Well,
One is
Yes, chef.
great.
all four in
If you need any,
Did you say how wide it needs to be?
flat pan.
Both sides or just one side?
what?
Right now, he
Yeah,
just
I
did
already
one
put that all
side.
in. It's missing something, right? Let's put up the heat a little bit more, right? I'm not hearing
That's the.
that it's done, right?
You want me to help you,
This
or you got
is
it?
nothing, right?
You can do this one.
So look, all right, that's starting to crisp up. It's telling me that's. All right, I'm gonna have to take out a knife because I'm gonna be slicing and dicing for you also. Oh, look at that right there, right? You're gonna take at least half.
That's the French way, all right.
Yeah.
Right, it's just with that butter, so it can just get happy. Okay. So now, what I mean by that? Let me just borrow. You're gonna use this. All right, so with that being said, please enjoy while everything is nice and hot. Bon appetit, okay?
All right, guys. So the cooking class is finished. It was such an amazing class. Like, I learned so much, and the food was 10 out of 10. I will most definitely come back to this cooking class because the chef was amazing. Like, hands-on, informative, everything, like, just amazing. So I will highly recommend for you guys to come to this cooking class at the Shallot table. Thank you for tuning in to my self-care day. I hope you guys liked it, and I see you for the next vlog.